The two consonant sounds we're targeting in this lecture are the sounds j as in joke and ch as in choke. So these two sounds use the same part of the mouth as we've seen before. The difference is one is voiced, one is unvoiced, as we've also seen before. So the first sound, j, j. Look at the shape of my mouth, j. The lips are coming out again, j. Not exactly rounded, but they're being pushed out. J, j, joke. Okay? And when you make the sound, notice what's happening inside your mouth with your tongue, okay? J, j. So your tongue, first of all, is pushing up and blocking air, okay? Then suddenly your tongue is pulling down and releasing the burst of air. So that's how this sound is made. J, j. So you're building up air pressure, and then suddenly the tongue drops and the pressure is released. Okay? J. And this sound is voiced. J. Okay? Joke. J. The second sound uses exactly the same process. Ch. Ch. But it's unvoiced. Okay? So the lips are the same shape, exactly the same. Ch. Can you see that? And the tongue is also pushed up, building air pressure, then suddenly it's dropped to release the pressure. Ch. Choke. Ch. But it's unvoiced. Okay? Test it for yourself. Ch. Ch. There's no voice. Okay? That's the main difference between the two. So remember the shape of the lips, they protrude out, and the tongue is first pushed up towards the front of the mouth, and then you suddenly pull the tongue down to release the pressure. Okay, now let's look at the target sound practice for these sounds. Let's look at the j sound first. So listen, repeat after me. As always, notice the spelling. Joe, Jeep, George, Ridge, Edge, Dangerous, Village, Large, Juice. Now, let's look at the second sound. Ch. Okay, remember the same process, except this is unvoiced. Okay, don't use the vocal cords when producing the sound ch. Okay? So listen, repeat after me once more. Chip, chair, chicken, champion, kitchen, teacher, watch, catch, chess. Okay, very, very well done. If you don't have these particular sounds in your language, remember to go back, practice the exercises again until you really start to master the sounds. Now, let's look at the minimal pairs for these two sounds. On the left we have j, and on the right we have ch. Remember, the left sounds is voiced, The ones on the right are unvoiced. So let's begin. Listen to the pairs and repeat. Jane, chain. Joke, choke. Jill, chill. Ridge, rich. Edge, etch. Jeep, cheap. Okay, well done. Now, let's look at the target sounds in use in a sentence so we can practice it when we're talking and using other words together. So, sentence 1, we're focusing on the j sound, the voiced sound. Jack gave Jane a large jug of orange juice. Sentence 2, we're focusing on the unvoiced sound, ch. Charlie is the chess champion of China. And sentence 3, a mix of the two sounds. This French cheese is just amazing, and this Belgian chocolate is gorgeous. Okay, well done. Don't forget to look at the video of the close-up of my mouth so you can see the shape, okay? So that you can produce the sounds much more clearly.